And there is probably a few things that you normally will not see anywhere else, I think. Okay? Let's go, guys. And then the local stands, they are assigned, they have a name. Sometimes they are like irritated to generations, families, and they grow bigger in the stands. So you see one small chili vendor back like 20 years ago, and now he's got like 3 stands together with a variety of produce, and it's growing and growing. And this is zapote negro because the flesh is black. This is so like kind of like a waxy, the texture, but it's also in the same family. If you look at it, it's got like basically the same shape as persimmon. So we use a lot for desserts, ice creams, agua fresca. Try a little, yeah. And it's a beautiful tree actually. And it's a fruit that you can mix and make drinks, desserts, and like I said. Pulque back in the days, it was basically the refreshing alcoholic drink that we had back in the days in Mexico, and it's made out of the scraping the hearts of the agave, and that produces like a water that we call agua miel.
Citrusy.
And yeah, citrusy, and then it keeps evolving. So the first days is like super sweet because that's why we call it agua miel. Miel means honey for us in Spanish. The way that we see it at the market is what basically did today, to pick product and then out of that product or produce, just get inspired to build recipes. The good thing about like Oaxaca is that we have this beauty of ingredients all around from different regions, different places, different vendors, and it's really nice to be all together just to share with you guys, because I mean the main purpose of Oaxaca these days is hospitality, tourism, and then we're sharing in all disciplines. And in this case about food, we're just pleased to have you here, try a little bit of the ingredients and cook together. But it's really nice also to cook with you because we share, we learn, we have a good time, and this space is meant to be for these purposes as well. And we hope you like the meal, the composition, the recipes, and any questions, please feel free. Now it's time to enjoy, have fun, and thank you again. Woo.